Welcome student in Sir Sundarbai Manikarsu Polytechnic, Chas Amarnagar. In previous session, we completed our first unit, that is chemical bonding and catalysis. In today's session, we start our second unit, that is metal corrosion, its prevention and electrochemistry. These unit have 12 marks question asked in examination, and the course outcome of this unit is use corrosion preventive measures in industries. Okay, so in this unit we discuss what is corrosion and different types of corrosion, and also the mechanism of their different types of corrosion, and also we discuss the factors affecting of corrosion and their preventive measures of corrosion. Okay, and also the second part of this unit is electrochemistry. In electrochemistry we have to discuss different types of cell. There are generally two types of cells we discuss. First type of cell is electrolytic cell and second type is electrochemical cell, and also we discuss the primary cell and secondary cell, their mechanism, and also we discuss the electrolysis processes. Okay, so this part we will discuss in this unit. So let's start this unit. So what is mean by the corrosion? Okay, so we all know the metals which undergoes on corrosion. Most of the metals except noble metals, these metals exist in nature in combined form. Okay, that means they will be available in oxide form, sulfide form, their carbonate form, or their silicate form. Okay, that's why these metals will be extracted from their ore and to get the pure metal. Pure metal which will be placed in the environment, then they undergoes on reaction with the environment or the surrounding medium which attack on this metal surface, then that time this metal which undergoes on corrosion. Okay, so for example, rusting of iron is the best example of the corrosion. Rusting of iron, in this example we have to take the fresh iron piece, and this iron piece we will be placed in the environment. Then environment containing different gases will attack on the surface of this iron piece. Then that times after some time or after some days, this iron piece having the surface which change their color and also their texture. Then that means the iron piece having surface will be reddish in color and rough. Then that means this iron piece which undergoes on corrosion, means the rusting of iron can be carried out. So that's why the proper definition of corrosion is the any process, that means this process will be chemical or either electrochemical, of the decay or the destruction of metal surface. They undergoes decay or destruction of metal surface due to the action of surrounding medium, means the surrounding medium containing different gases which attack on this metal surface. Then that times the destruction of metal will be carried out or decay of the metal will be carried out. This process will be called as the corrosion of the metal. Okay, so this corrosion of metal will be having the different types. So there are generally two types of corrosion is there. So first type of corrosion is dry corrosion or atmospheric corrosion, or it will be named as a direct chemical corrosion. Okay, and the second type will be named as wet corrosion. Second type is wet corrosion, or it will be also called as the immersed corrosion, electrochemical corrosion. Okay, so these are two types of corrosion is there. So we discuss these two types one by one. So the first type of corrosion is dry corrosion or atmospheric corrosion, or it also named as direct chemical corrosion. So this corrosion having name is atmospheric corrosion or direct chemical corrosion. Okay, and also will be named as a dry corrosion. Okay, so this corrosion will be carried out in atmospheric conditions, so that's why they will be called as atmospheric corrosion. Corrosion occurs when the metal surface comes in immediate contact with the atmospheric gases like oxygen, halogen, hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and the nitrogen. These different gases present in the atmosphere which get immediate contact with the metal surface, then that time the electrochemical reactions or the chemical attack will be carried out on this metal surface. So that's why this metal surface which undergoes on corrosion, and that's why this type of corrosion will be called as the dry corrosion or the atmospheric corrosion or the direct chemical corrosion. So this corrosion will be increases their rate when humid atmosphere will be present. That means the moisture will be present in the atmosphere. Then that time this corrosion rate will be increases, and also when the near the industrial areas, then that time also this corrosion rate will be increases. Okay, so this dry corrosion or the atmospheric corrosion also occur due to two types. So types of this dry corrosion. So first type, the corrosion due to oxygen. Corrosion due to oxygen. And second type is corrosion due to other gases. So in the atmosphere different gases will be present, but main gas is responsible for corrosion is the oxygen. So oxygen will carry out more amount of the corrosion. Okay, and so that's why this corrosion will be carried out due to the oxygen and different gases. That means the carbon dioxide, nitrogen, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, halogens, these other gases will be present in the atmosphere and they will be responsible for the metal corrosion. Then that times this type of corrosion will be named as corrosion due to the gases. Okay, so next we see this is the second type of corrosion is the wet corrosion, or it will be also named as immersed corrosion, or also it will be named as electrochemical corrosion. This type of corrosion occurs in metal when solid liquid interface on the metal, and when the metal surface which undergoes on in contact with any liquid medium, then that time this wet corrosion will be carried out. Okay, in this type of when two different metals will dip in a solution, this solution will be act as a conducting medium between the two electrodes. One metal will be act as a cathode and another metal will be act as an anode. In this conducting medium, so the anode which produce their ions and get corroded, and cathode which receives these ions and form the coating over it, and the cathode which does not get corroded or they will be protected from the corrosion. Okay, then that time the anode which undergoes on electrochemical reactions on there, so that's why they undergoes on corrosion. So in type of corrosion will be called as wet corrosion or the immersed corrosion. Means the corrosion will be carried out in liquid medium. Okay, so that's why they will be named as a wet corrosion. Okay, and electrochemical reactions will be carried out, so also they will be named as a electrochemical corrosion. So this corrosion will be occurs, then that time different cells will be generated. That means the galvanic cell will generated, or either the concentration cell will be generated. Okay, so the galvanic cell is generated, then that times the two different metals will placed in conducting medium, then that time this galvanic cell will be generated and the wet corrosion will be carried out. When the concentration cell will generated, then that times one single metal will dip in this conducting medium solution and their corrosion will be carried out. Then that times this type of corrosion will be called as the concentration cell and the corrosion will be carried out as the wet corrosion. Okay, so the mechanism of these different types of corrosion will be discussed in next session. Okay, thank you.